So a few of us can see some scattered showers later this evening, but then we'll stay clear in regards to rain tomorrow morning. See some cloud coverage. Mother Nature, thinks it's winter again.
Right, she's confused again.
She's just confused. Maybe I can help her. We're still seeing a lot of snowfall here in West Monroe, and we're going to see snowfall continuing over the next hour or so. So it is beautiful outside, but it is cold. But there is potentially enough moisture with this front to provide some wintry precipitation. That would mostly be from Monday night through Tuesday afternoon. Keep in mind, this is on top of the rain that we saw all last week, the rain that we saw over the past couple of days over this weekend.
That is also possible for late Sunday night through early Monday morning. We will be keeping an eye on this as the system continues to move through.
But thanks to a cold front that is situated just along southern Arkansas, that has provided almost a boundary, and the rain has kind of stayed north of that. And at least anticipate that for the beginning of this next work week for the Arkansas, which is much appreciated. Bit of a dreary start for this Friday afternoon for much of the Arkansas. A few of us across southern Arkansas are already seeing some scattered showers ahead of the bulk of the rain that we're expecting later this evening through the overnight hours. A few isolated pockets of rain passing through Highway 82 across southern Arkansas, and that'll continue as we head into really the rest of the day today into the evening hours. But we're awaiting the bulk of the rain that will arrive later tonight into the overnight hours associated with our next cold front. Highs today are expected to reach the mid-70s, so we'll be fairly warm, but unfortunately, clouds will be sticking around. Overcast conditions will be sticking around for us today ahead of our next front. We are expecting a good amount of rain with this next cold front and the potential for some severe weather. That's why the eastern half of the Arkansas is under a flash flood watch until 4 a.m. Saturday morning. They could see the potential for localized flash flooding. We can't rule out the potential for maybe 3, 4, 5 inches of rain in those areas, but all of the Arkansas should at least see a couple of inches of rain. We are also under an enhanced risk for severe weather. All of the Arkansas is under an enhanced risk for severe weather for the possibility of damaging wind gusts up to almost 80 miles per hour. Hail is possible, as well as the possibility for a few isolated tornadoes. That is really for tonight as we head into early Saturday morning. So before we reach this evening, we could see the potential for some scattered showers, but the bulk of the rain will not arrive until later this evening, right around dinner time, and then lasting into the afternoon hours through early tomorrow morning. By Saturday morning around 4 a.m., the severe weather threat and all the rain should be out of the Arkansas for the most part. But as we continue throughout Saturday morning and Saturday early afternoon, we can't rule out the potential for some scattered showers. We'll also be left with overcast conditions and really won't see the sunshine until Sunday afternoon. In regards to rain totals, I mentioned earlier a few of us could see at least a couple of inches of rain, but the bulk of the rain will be along the Mississippi River Valley area and for those Louisiana parishes that are in the eastern half of the Arkansas. So we do have the potential for maybe a few localized areas seeing heavier rain totals. For the most part, all of us should see rain at some point late tonight through the morning hours. Then tomorrow afternoon, temperatures are going to struggle to reach the low 50s. It is literally going to feel freezing compared to what we felt this week, and then we'll slowly start to see temperatures warming up as we continue through the beginning of next week.